Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ankush. So there is one announcement that I want to share with you all, that we are going to start our completely real-time big data training from tomorrow. In this training, we are going to learn about the things which are very important to start your career into the big data. So we are going to start with the SQL, Linux, then we are going to discuss about the Hadoop related component. In Hadoop, we have a multiple components are there, like we have 𝐓𝐢me, HDFS, Hadoop architecture. Then we are going to learn about the Python, which is very important to learn about the data engineering. Then we are going to learn about the AWS data engineering, in which there are some of the components we are going to discuss. Then we are going to discuss about the Spark. So this Spark we are going to learn with the Python plus Spark. So this will be completely a bunch of data engineer training, where we are going to talk about all the theoretical as well as practical scenarios. Whatever interview questions are there which you get in the interview, we are going to learn about that. So if you want to enroll to this completely real-time data engineering training, you can reach out to us, the number which is available on the screen. Thank you. And if you don't want to enroll for this training, still you can learn a lot of free content from our YouTube channel. This is completely free of cost. Thank you.